Good morning. Happy New Year's Day. We are finally at a point on the beach that this is as far as we've walked. So it'll be all fresh territory for us. This pink house right here, in between this pink house and this tan house on the right, I think it's called beach access number 1. Talked about this before. It's a public path in between these two private houses. And at the end of it is a sign and a parking lot that holds like 4 cars. So if you're here visiting and you're not staying at a hotel, that's an option. Not a lot of people know about it. So there's only 4 parking spots, but I've never seen it completely full. So, ooh, look at that. That's a warm. So if you're just here for a day, you can try that out. And it's like, there is not parking meters. So it's like one of the few public parking spaces near a beach that does not have a parking meter. So all I can say is look up beach access number 1. Okay. I'm bad with directions, so. The jewel box. All right. Pretty. See if we can find anything else. There's another jewel box. That's a bummer. It's a piece of a tulip. Alright, my nose is starting to tickle from the red tide, which I'm not really seeing like a bunch of seaweed and stuff, so not for sure. Well, because when I say red tide, it's not like a visible thing. It's not like you're going to look out in the ocean and see a streak of red. It's just an expression. I think. Could be wrong. You see something, honey? I see that determined look on your face. Oh, a fighting conch. Thank you, honey. So red tide is just an expression, right? There's not like actual red bacteria or anything. It's a short name for something else.
Look at the water. It almost has a red tinge to it.
You know what? That's true. I mean, honestly, this water is looking a brown. Past trips, it's been a gorgeous blue. That is a very good point. The water is not as pretty as it normally is.
It's very complex. It's easy to call it red tide.
Yeah. Kitty paw. Plain scallop. Slipper with some barnacles. Algae that's killing everything.
Evidently it feeds on whatever comes out of Lake Okeechobee.
Ooh, this one is going back. You see how one side is white and the other side is colorful? There's still, ooh, that's terrible. I was terrible at throwing. I did not play baseball. I do throw like a girl. Like a 2-year-old girl. Or a 2-year-old boy. I'm sure you couldn't throw very well at 2 years old. Hey, I was talking to you. Did you play baseball as a kid? Did you play baseball as a kid?
The waves are real.
Did you play baseball as a kid?
No.
No. All right.
I played with my friends. I didn't play on a team though.
Okay.
I played team sports growing up, is you played with your neighborhood friends.
Yeah.
And you guys did it every day, so you were just as good as the guys
Who had team sports?
whose parents paid for them to play, so.
We had a couple little leagues, co-ed. Not like here where there's girls teams and boys teams. In my small town, it was all co-ed. Sorry about that.
Football was our thing.
Football? You really liked football? Oh, look at that pretty olive. Beautiful. Lots of nice olives this trip. All right, go. I'm done talking. Go enjoy your high tide line. He likes looking at the old stuff. You find some good stuff in the old tide line. I'm wearing my water shoes, so I'm enjoying getting my feet wet. It's actually pretty cold. I can see why there's not that many people in the water, besides the fact that it's pretty rough. It's cold. It is cold. Is this a piece of glass or a shell? Oh, that's a bummer. It's a piece of shell. Yesterday I found like a handful of shell or sea glass. None today. Is that a fishing lure?
Yeah, but again,
Here, I'll put it in the... Oh, wow, it is a fishing lure.
the classic.
Put that in the bucket. I can't believe Robert spotted that fishing lure right there. He's got eagle eyes, my husband. Eagle eyes. It's a pretty collar. Look at the bottom of this mussel. Don't look good on that side, but this side looks pretty darn good. All right, wait, is that another? Oh, it's just another mussel. All right, I'm gonna keep walking. I'll come back if I find anything good. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a happy new year.